I've been testing Simply Piano, Flowkey, and Skoove for learning piano, and here's my straightforward comparison. I'll go over key features, pricing, and which one works best for different skill levels. Simply Piano is the most game-like and beginner-friendly option. It turns learning into an interactive experience with gamified lessons and adjustable difficulty levels for songs. You can play the same piece at various difficulty settings, which helps with steady progress. The app uses your device's microphone to listen to your playing and give you instant feedback. Flowkey offers the most comprehensive song library with over 1,000 pieces. It combines music theory with hands-on practice and includes video lessons from real piano teachers. The interface is more polished and structured, making it a better fit if you already have some basic piano knowledge. Songs are sorted by genre and skill level. Skoove stands out for its well-organized lesson structure and optional teacher support. After a recent update, it provides a very clear curriculum with detailed fingering guidance and AI-powered feedback as you play. It's especially strong for intermediate players who want serious progressive learning. All three apps offer free trials with premium subscriptions required for full access. Simply Piano and Flowkey are similarly priced, while Skoove tends to be a bit more expensive but includes features like one-on-one lessons. For beginners, Simply Piano works best because it's engaging and flexible. Its game-like style keeps younger learners motivated, and the adjustable difficulty helps avoid frustration. For intermediate players, Flowkey offers the best mix of song variety and structured learning. The inclusion of real instructor videos helps build good technique. For serious learners, Skoove provides the most professional experience with its step-by-step curriculum and teacher support. The detailed feedback and fingering guidance make it ideal for those committed to proper learning. Simply, Piano excels at making piano fun and approachable, but may not satisfy advanced players looking for depth. Flowkey has great song choice and teaching quality, but could use interface improvements. Skoove delivers a thorough educational experience, but might feel too intense for casual users. Choose Simply Piano if you want learning to feel fun, flexible, and like a game. Choose Flowkey if you want a huge song library combined with quality instruction. Choose Skoove if you're serious about structured, comprehensive piano education with real teacher guidance. That's my breakdown of these three piano learning apps. Each serves different styles and goals, so think about your commitment level and how you prefer to learn. Hope this helps you pick the right app for your piano journey. If you found it useful, feel free to like and subscribe for more music app reviews.